Audio CD 2, Track 5, Unit 2, Parts of Town. Nick and Lisa are standing in front of the subway station.
It's about time. I've been waiting all day.
Oh, relax. Now, we'd better ask someone where this restaurant is.
I know it's on one of the subway lines. Let's look for a map.
Oh, Nick, you're always afraid to ask for directions. Excuse me, can you tell us how to get to the Royal Lion Steakhouse?
Oh, yeah. Let's see. That's in Northern Liveville.
No, it's actually north of Liveville.
I don't think so. It's in the shopping district.
Nonsense. It's way out in the boondocks.
Now you can see why I don't like asking for directions.
Maybe we should buy a map.